This video will show you how to install the HygiTouch system. There are two things to determine before installing the HygiTouch system. The first is to see if a certain type of toilet can install the HygiTouch system. The second is to determine whether the toilet is suited for the standard or special installation method. So, how can you tell if a toilet is suitable for installation with HygiTouch? Even though HygiTouch fits most toilets, it cannot be installed on the toilet type shown here. The rounded shape of the tank makes it unsuitable for the HygiTouch system to be locked into place. This toilet has a straight shape, making it suitable for the installation of the HygiTouch system. Even toilets without a tank can be installed with the HygiTouch system. How to determine when to use the standard or special installation method. When you can reach and release the toilet screws, the standard installation method can be used. The special installation method is required when the fastening holes are unreachable. Steps for the standard installation. Please take off the toilet seat from the toilet. Then, tear off the covers from the 7 foam stickers at the bottom and fix the HygiTouch system to the toilet set. Place the magnet on the shell of the HygiTouch system and pull up to open the cover. Next, place the plastic screw through the iron square piece and place through the fastening hole. Do the same on the other side. Tighten the screw and the shim firmly. Do the same on the other side. Then insert a Hygi roll within the set and cover the entire toilet seat with the film. Take the end of the film and pull it around the 3 rails as shown. Then tighten the film 2 to 3 times around the empty roll. Take the roll and while leaning, place the center of the roll on the shaft as shown. Place the shell back to cover the HygiTouch system and remove the magnet.